The walk-in interviews posted in this video are going to be held on 7th and 8th March. Glenmark Pharma has posted this walk-in drive for production, packing, QC and QA department. They require executive, senior officer, junior officer and officer. In production for granulation, compression, raster coating, coating and capsule filling. In packing for blister, cartonator, bulk packing training. In control, FP, IP, stability, RM, micro, lab investigations. In quality assurance, IPQA, manufacturing, packaging and semi-solid. The required education and experience. Required education for pharma formulation is for senior officers B Pharm or M Pharm or MSc with 2 to 6 years of relevant experience. For executives B Pharm or M Pharm or MSc with 6 to 10 years of relevant experience. And for officer or junior officer, diploma, BCom, BA, BSc, ITI or 12th with 1 to 6 years of relevant experience. You should carry your updated resume and copies of education and experience certificates. Preference will be given to the candidates with Goan domicile. The date is 8th March, timings 10 am to 5 pm. The venue is the Fern Kesarwal Hotel, Varna. Shilpa Medicare Biologicals has posted this walk-in drive at Pune. Work location would be Dharwad in Karnataka. The date is 8th March, Sunday it is, timings 9 am to 4 pm. The venue for this walk-in drive is 7 Apple Hotel, Mumbai Pune Road behind Siddharth Motors, Kasarwadi, Pune. In the department EMD position, executive, senior executive, 8 positions are vacant. Experience required 4 to 5 years. Qualification diploma, BSc, BE mechanical, biologics process, etc. Having experience in pharmaceutical water plant equipments. For water plant operation and maintenance, junior executive, 8 positions are vacant. Experience required 3 to 5 years. Same qualifications required. In production department, 3 vacancies for executive, senior executive, 3 to 7 years experience. 4 vacancies for operator, junior executive, 2 to 8 years of experience. 4 vacancies for executive, senior executive in manufacturing QMS, 1 to 6 years of experience required. And trainee officer, executive, senior executives in DS manufacturing, upstream, downstream, 20 positions are vacant. Experience required 0 to 6 years. The qualifications are for DS manufacturing, graduate, postgraduate in pure and applied sciences with hands-on industrial experience. For manufacturing QMS, graduates, postgraduates in applied science with hands-on industrial experience in microbial and mammalian facility. For manufacturing fill finish, graduate or postgraduate in pharmacy or ITI or diploma in engineering and D Pharma. Roles required, shift working or rotational shifts, so kindly go through all the requirements and then apply for the walk-in drive. In QC Analytical, Assistant Manager 1, Manager 1, Executive 4 and Officers 4 and Officers 1 in QC BioSA are required. The relevant experience have been mentioned. In QC Instrumentation, Assistant Manager 1, Executive 4, Officer 5. In QC Immunochemical, Executive 2, Officer 3. In QC RMPM, Senior Executives 2, Executives 2 and Officer 3. These positions are vacant. They have mentioned the experience required for each and every position available. The qualifications required are postgraduate in pure applied sciences with hands-on industrial experience in instrumentation analysis of biotherapeutics. Should be willing to work in rotational shifts. You should bring along CV, copies of educational certificates, CTC, bank statement and payslip. They have provided a mail ID for forwarding your resume or for your queries also. Atul Limited has posted this walk-in drive on Sunday, March 8, timings 9 am to 3 pm. Venue is Amal Limited, plot number 136-137, GIDC Industrial Estate, Ankleshwar, Gujarat. For function production, shift operators, BE BTech, experience 2 to 5 years, location Ankleshwar. Diploma, 2 to 5 years experience, location Atul, Valsad. And BE BTech, chemical, experience required 2 to 5 years. BE BTech MSc, 2 to 7 years experience and the location would be same, Atul, Valsad. Go through the specialization part of these positions. In the maintenance department, BE or BTech, mechanical experience in chemical industry, 7 to 5 years experience required. Location could be Ankleshwar, Atul, Valsad. Eligibility, candidates who have cleared 10th and 12th in the first attempt, diploma and MSc 50% and above in all academic years, For BE BTech, 55% and above in all academic years. Candidate with work experience must not have academic gaps due to failures and not more than 2 ATKTs or backlogs. You need to bring along resume, passport size photograph and certificates. You can also send your resume at the given mail ID, or if you cannot attend this walk-in drive, you may send your resume at the given mail ID. Ipca Laboratories Limited, Ratlam has posted a walk-in drive at Rao, Indore on 8th March. Timings 10:30 am to 5 pm. Address is Papaya Tree Hotels near Dr. Hardia Eye Clinic, AB Road, Rao, Indore, MP. In Formulation and Micro, Quality Control Department, Senior officers and officers, 2 to 10 years of experience required for working in wet lab, chemical stability and micro lab. The qualifications required is 12th or BSc MSc Chemistry Micro. In Formulation again, Injection Injectable, officers with 3 to 10 years of experience. Qualifications required 12th or BSc or MSc or B Pharm or M Pharm. In Engineering Department, Formulation Maintenance, 4 to 8 years of experience required. In Quality Assurance Formulation Department, 3 to 6 years of experience required. Qualification BSc or MSc B Pharm or M Pharm. You can also send your resume at the given mail IDs. They have provided a phone number for your queries also. Kemveda Life Sciences has posted this walk-in drive on 7th March for positions in R&D Synthesis Department. Qualification required MSc in Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, Medicinal Chemistry. Experience 1 to 8 years of relevant experience. Location would be Hyderabad. The date is 7th March, timings 10 am to 1 pm. Venue is Kemveda Life Sciences India Private Limited, IDA Uppal, Hyderabad. You need to have 6 months of time gap between successive attempts at the interview. You can also share your resume at the given mail ID.
To get regular updates, subscribe to Pharma State YouTube channel and follow the social media pages.